Hello everyone. Today what we are gonna do is we are gonna print a 3D Benchy with Ender 3 Pro, which is converted into a direct drive extruding mechanism. And what we get benefit from direct drive is that the filament is directly fed into the nozzle and it gets heated, and also it goes directly to the print bed. So now we are going to download the 3D model from the website, and we'll open that with Ultimaker Cura. So if you don't know what is Cura and what are the different print settings to be tuned, we'll see that in the next video. We have loaded the G code to Ender 3 using Octoprint setup, which we have made with Raspberry Pi, and we'll make another video about Raspberry Pi Octoprint setup with Ender 3 Pro. And now the print gets started. I think this is a very decent print which came out from actually modifying the Ender 3 as a direct drive, and the layers look very decent and the sides are very clear and there is no layer shift, and there are little strings which we can clear out, but overall it came out to be a fantastic print. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video. Also subscribe to the channel. If there is any doubt, you can post me in the comments. And if you like something to be printed, you can also mention me. I'll be able to try it out and post how it came out with Ender 3 Pro.